How to make welcome messages with Carlbot. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for carl.gg. Here, tap on the login option and make sure that you have logged in with Discord already, and if not, then go ahead and log into carl.gg with Discord. Once you have logged in, you can go ahead and now select the server that you want to make welcome messages with and then authorize the Carl bot. Now go ahead and open Discord on your device and then tap on the server name connected to Carlbot. Now tap on the server drop down on top of your screen and then select the create channel option. Further, go ahead and name your channel by putting any name that you want and then tap on the create channel option in order to create the channel. Once created, tap on the gear icon you see there beside your channel name and then tap on the permissions option. Here, scroll down and navigate to View Channel option and check the checkbox for View Channel and then scroll down again and you will see the Send Message option. Go ahead and disable the Send Message option and then scroll down again and you will see the Read Messages History option. Go ahead and check the Read Messages History option. Now tap on the Save Changes option and after that, tap on the plus icon next to roles and members you see there and select the Carlbot option. And go ahead and enable Send Message for Carlbot now. Once done, go back to Carlbot again and on the sidebar, scroll down and select the Welcome option you see there on the left side of your screen. Now in this interface, you will be able to go ahead and set your welcome message. So navigate to welcome channel drop down and tap on it and then select your channel and then tap on the save button you see there. Further, go to the welcome message tab and type in your message. You can use the variable shown on the left side of your screen under useful variables for the welcome message on your Discord. Once you have enabled the message and entered the message, tap on the save button and with this, your welcome message for Discord will be set. So this is how you can make welcome message with Carlbot. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.